I didn't really think about, well, how should I put this? I wasn't really planning on making a video, but I found this, so I guess I'll record at least like a minute. Plop. Uh-oh, where is it? Did I seriously... They're gone. Okay, well that's awesome. So anyways, I went ahead and got some new springs for this because what happens, see, you can already tell what's happening. I went ahead and just bought new springs. I didn't even bother buying a new cam. But yeah, basically my turn signals don't cancel one direction. And I mean, now I know why. So I guess I just got kind of lucky. I don't know how this happens, who just decides to not put a spring in here. Maybe I'll find out that it's actually broken as I'm putting everything back together. That's a spring. That don't go there though. But yeah, so I guess I found out the problem just by, I don't know, serendipitous. But what did oh, they're on the bench. I still haven't touched this engine. I got pistons for it though. So I went ahead and just bought springs. That's the part number if you care. This video is going to be fuzzy, isn't it? They actually look smaller too, but I'm going to go ahead and just put these in and put everything back together. And hopefully that fixes my turn signals. It's been like this for as long as I've owned the vehicle. I'm just now doing something about it. Yeah. I'm going to assume I have to replace both of them. Just because maybe the tension is different. Yeah, this can't be that hard to do. This is gonna break. Something's gonna break. Okay, so that one goes there. Okay. How does this go? There. Yeah. I mean, I might go ahead and just put a little bit of lube in here too, if I feel like it. Okay, I'm gonna get everything put back together now. My turn signals work. Okay, bye.